question. We have 50-50 custody, pay child support, pay for my son's phone, haircuts, clothes, extracurricular activities, etc. Bio mom has hidden income when establishing child support, and recently, when we had to take her to court, she had to divulge what she actually makes, which is very close to what my husband makes. The insurance that her husband provides is very inexpensive, so child support should be minimal. However, she changes jobs constantly and is very unstable with employment. Is it true that only one income will be used to calculate child support? Also, braces are coming up. Technically, the designated amount we are allotted for health insurance does not count for braces since they're not a medical necessity, correct? We would be more than generous offering to pay for half, right? Thanks. Great question. I'm going to do my best to answer it. My name is Billy Tarasio. I'm an Arizona family law attorney. I own Modern Law, and on my page and on my platforms, we talk about family law issues. You send in your questions and I answer them. You can also submit questions on the Modern Divorce Support Group, and we've got a form link in the link tree that you can use to fill out and submit your questions. Sounds like you went to court and you had a child support hearing already, and maybe you're waiting for the ruling, but I'm going to answer the questions that I hear. So if two parents have equal parenting time and they make about the same amount of money and one parent is paying for insurance, yes, child support would likely be very minimal, if not anything. You also indicated that you pay for lots of extracurriculars. You don't indicate whether or not you pay for all of that or mom pays for some as well. If you had a history of paying for all of these things, then that would be something I would ask to be brought up at the child support hearing. So maybe you're in a situation where you could ask for a deviation down if the child support amount was going to be very low anyway, and you pay for all of these extracurriculars by yourself. You also asked, is it true that only one income will be used to calculate child support? And I want to address that. Two incomes will be used. Dad's income and mom's income, not the step-parent's income. So not your income, not her husband's income, only the two of you. Your last question is regarding braces. Braces are coming up. Technically, the designated amount we're allotted for health insurance does not count for braces since they're not a medical necessity, correct? No. I don't know what you mean by the amount of health insurance, the designated amount we're allotted for health insurance. I don't know what that means. So typically what the court orders say is one party covers the kiddos on insurance or both, and then uncovered medical expenses are covered in some manner. You know, it might be 50-50, it might be in proportion to your income, and braces count as uncovered medical expenses. So you, in my opinion, are responsible, likely, look at your court order, but you are responsible for braces, and they generally are considered a medical necessity. Thanks for your question, and let me know if you have any other questions or if anyone has any comments.